and welcome back to Sunny Live Channel. Thank you so much, guys, for tuning in. To all my subscribers, thank you so much, guys, for amazing support. And if you are new, you are welcome. Please don't hesitate to press the subscribe button and notification bell so that you don't miss anything that I'm going to upload next on this channel. Guys, I'm back again with the Mzansi Super Story. Today we're talking about Generation the Legacy. We are in season 8 and there will be few changes. Esizozibona Yonda Thomas will be joining Generation the Legacy from the today, guys, the 25th of November 2021, as Lelethu. Lelethu is a reporter by profession. He will be taking after where Siyanda left after his passing, but not under Moroka Media. According to TV Plus magazine, Lelethu will be working very close to Dr. Spare Moroka and she will be interested in him. He does see a lot of women, but he don't regard himself as a womanizer. He will be turning the table in every angles, and I'm foreseeing he will also date Spare and Pamela just like Siyanda. The other character will be joining the show is Muzi Mtabela, who was portraying Menzi from Imbewu, the city where his character will be killed off this month. That's all I have for today. Do leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.